Trace with me from A to Z. A picture is hiding. What will it be? Hello, my curious little artists. Today we're going on a magical alphabet adventure. But this isn't just about singing ABC. We're going to trace each letter from A to Z, one by one, in a special order. And guess what? Every time we connect a letter, we're also connecting a tiny piece of a secret picture hiding in the dots. But shh, we don't know what that picture is yet. It's like a hidden alphabet treasure map. So your job is to follow me, letter by letter, and slowly, together, we'll reveal what's hiding in this dotted picture. Could it be a bird, a plane, a dinosaur, or maybe something to eat? You have to stay with me till letter Z to find out. Ready? Fingers out, crayons up, eyes wide. Let's begin our alphabet tracing adventure. Here's A. A is for apple. Now let's move to B. Whee! B is for ball. Bounce, bounce. What could these lines be making? Any guesses? Too early? Let's keep going. Let's take a curve to C. C is for cat. Meow. Now slide to D. D is for duck. Duck. Quack, quack. Zoom up to E. E for elephant. Hoo-hoo. So far, we've made some curves and bumps. Could it be a dinosaur? Or maybe a boat? What do you think? Let's keep tracing. Swoosh to F. F for fish. And swim to G. G for grapes. Tiny step to H. H for hat. Hat. Slide to I. I for ice cream. Yum! Okay, I'm seeing some shapes now. Could it be a jellyfish? Don't tell me yet. Now we dip to J. J for jug. Then stretch to K. K for kite. Fly high. Sharp curve to L. L for lion. Bounce to M. M for monkey. We're halfway there. Let's take a deep breath. Are you curious yet? Keep watching those lines. Spin to N. N for nest. Big curve to O. O for orange. Let's hop to P. P for Penguin. Penguin. And slide to Q. Q for Queen. Queen. Zoom to R. R for ROCKET. Rocket. Wiggle to S. S for SUN. Sun. Wait a second. There's a round belly forming? A tail maybe? Do you see it too? Chugga chugga to T. T for T-R-A-I-N. Train. Jump to U. U for U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. Zigzag to V. V for V-I-O-L-I-N. Violin. Wobble to W. W for W-A-T-C-H. Watch. Cross over to X. X for X-Y-L-O-P-H-O-N-E. Xylophone. Tiptoe to Y. Y for Y-O-G-U-R-T. Yogurt. And finally, zip across to Z. Z for Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Whoa! Wait! Look at that! Did you notice what we just made? It's a whale! A big, happy whale! Splashing water out from the top of her head. We traced A to Z and made a whale in the sea. Whales are mammals, not fish. Can you believe that? They breathe air, sing underwater, and can be as big as a school bus. That little fountain on top, it's called a blowhole, like their nose. Great job, letter adventurers! You followed every letter, made cool sounds, spelled words, and uncovered the big secret. Until next time, keep drawing, spelling, and smiling. A, B, C, a whale swam free.
Yay, that was so much fun! Did you like the video? Then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends so they can learn along too. Bye-bye! See you soon on Popo Buzz.